They do
Well,
stink.
what you got on the Yankees? What I mean, is there anything to put to bring the Yankees fans back? How are they gonna pack that stadium for the rest of the season? Answer
I,
that.
I don't know because you don't know which direction they're going. You know,
I
Exactly.
know
So how
how.
are people
Cheaper
saying I'm
seats.
hating?
yeah.
Cheaper seats. I see it
So
happening.
you know
Well,
they signed up big contract with Judge. Okay, we wanted him back. We got him back. But after that, they didn't make no moves. We got Rodon. He hasn't pitched well since he came back.
no, he's been bad.
You know,
You being nice, Bone. He's been bad. He's a bad pitcher.